Changing burrs. Close the sealing sheet of the hopper. Press the continuous coffee button in order to grind all the residual coffee of the grinding cavity. Switch off the coffee grinder. Take out the hopper by pressing the anchoring spots of the adjustment disc. Loosen the adjustment disc in a counterclockwise motion. To remove it, press down the regulation powel. Unscrew the 3 fastening screws in order to change the upper burr. Insert the magnetic anchoring key in order to block the rotation engine axis. Remove the spiral nut with a flat wrench number 13. Pull out the lower burr by a magnetic key. Insert the new burr with the magnetic key and replace immediately the spiral nut with the flat wrench number 13. Screw in the adjustment disc body to join the burrs, pressing down the regulation powel. Turn 1/4 12 points in counterclockwise motion. Fit the hopper in the 2 anchoring spots and open next the sealing sheet of the hopper. Connect the coffee grinder with the power switch.